Destination unknown. The crowd, the air is clean, your ocean's blue, I love that sound. We're happy for this destination we found, and if you want this you can follow me. Let's go, follow me, and let's go to the place where we belong and leave our troubles at home. Come with me, we can go to a paradise of love and joy, a destination unknown, no, 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 no.